I mean, it's also, it's like a, you you want to create these spaces for collaboration as well, and like they have a lot to, I always feel like you don't want the classroom to be like just this one way, like I'm going to come in and lecture and like I'm going to tell you what the truth is, but more like we all have a bunch of questions, right? And the key, like the best thing is conversation, right? The best thing for a classroom is just to get people talking. So sometimes it's the teacher, your job as a teacher to like set, to ask those questions, but oftentimes it's just getting people to talk to each other and creating situations where you get, how do you create bandwidth for dialogue?
What do you see? What are some ways that you've created bandwidth for dialogue that have that bridge those gaps between this computational science and the art world? Because those are sometimes two very different things, but how do you get them to translate to each other and then the students to also have those conversations?
Yeah, and that's an interesting question.